Hello and welcome to another Budget and Leggit video. Now, this is a video I wanted to do for a long time. I keep forgetting, things get in the way, you forget, you know, usual blah, 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 blah. So it's going to be some shout outs of channels I watch, I've kind of come across and I've liked some of the videos. Some of these people I speak to, some of them I don't. Some of them are maybe subscribed to me and some of them are not. But it's very difficult, you can just hear my computer striked up, it's very difficult to kind of get somewhere on YouTube now because no matter what you do, there's loads of people doing it. So this is for the smaller channels to try and get the names out a bit more, because a lot of people on YouTube are just in it for themselves. They don't really care about anyone. As long as they're doing okay, that's all they really care about. I want to share the love. So anybody that wants to go and see them, just tell them that I sent you. Like I said, some of them know me, some of them don't. So if you say I sent you, they'll be like, ooh. But yeah, so that's it really. And what I also want to do, any of my subscribers out there that would like to do a quick little video, like an intro to one of my videos. So in other words, they can say like the things I say or something like that. I can put that at the front of some of my videos, and if you've got a YouTube channel, we can link that down below as well. So again, that's another way of just trying to get people out there recognized. I mean, I'm not a big YouTuber by any stretch of the imagination, but if I can help these smaller channels out, well, you know, share the love. That's what it's all about. So I'm going to screen record my computer and I'm going to quickly go through the people that I want to talk about, and I'll leave all the links down below to their channels, and yeah, enjoy. Right, these are going to be in no particular order, it's just kind of the way it's come out. The first one is The Adventures of Java 86. Now, this guy, he's a really nice guy, and his last video, he actually admitted that he did some damage to an engine, bent the valves. You need to go over there and actually hound him to make more videos. He needs to make more videos. But he actually admitted that he made a mistake, and he showed you. Now, he fixed it, it wasn't a problem, but he actually admitted it. He didn't have to do that, you know. No one would have ever have known. He could have just pretended nothing ever happened, but he didn't. He actually came out in minutes, and that takes balls. I leave all my mistakes in my videos too. That beep is annoying, I know. Let's see if we can just turn that down. Hopefully that's turned it down now. And yeah, like I said, he didn't have to admit it, but he did. And he's also admitted, which you'll see in that video, he's also admitted the Spitfire is a better looking plane and a better plane than the P-51 Mustang, because it just is. It just is. So yeah, go and check him out. Hound him to make more videos. Who's next? We have Codys Auto Diagnostics. Again, go and check him out. You know, he's done some great videos and some really good content. He is making videos, but you know, just share the love. Like I said, go over there, tell him I sent you, and yeah, sorted. Who's next? We have Dave from Northern Ireland, I believe. I could be wrong, but I think he's from Northern Ireland. Again, some really, really, really good content. He basically shows, well, again, there's no point me spoiling it, but you can see in there, again, he's on 496 subscribers now. So let's try and get him to 1,000, and so we can monetize his channel, because it does take a lot to do this YouTube stuff. So it'd be nice to get him to 1,000. Again, tell him I sent you, send him some love. Go over and check him out. Right, I'm not sure what's happened to my camera, but we'll sort that out in a second. Now, we've got Mike, the Disgruntled Mechanic. We're not really bothered about Mike. We're more bothered about Helga, his wife. But we'll mention Mike, even though he's got a big channel. But we'll mention him anyway. Really, really, really nice guy. Speak to him quite a lot. Top bloke. But this is what we're really more interested in. Helga, this is his wife. And oh my God, the food is to die for. I keep asking her to send me food over and she won't, and I tell her if I come over there I'm never going to leave. People, you need to see the food she makes. Just phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Helga, really nice person as well. Great channel. Go and check her out. Who's next? We have Welding Junkie, another one of my subscribers. And again, I don't always see it, but sometimes when someone subscribes and comments to me, you know, I see that they've got a channel and I go and check him out. You know, again, never met him, haven't really spoken to him, but I know he's one of my subscribers. He leaves comments and everything in my videos. So again, go and check him out, show some love, tell him I sent you. Then we got K Homes Garage. Slightly bigger channel, but still, you know, some really, really good content again. some interesting videos, you know, just again, you know, all these people, like I said, they just have a wide range of videos, but no matter, even if they're not in your country, even if they don't work on the same cars as you, you can still pick up little tidbits here, there and everywhere. Tell them I sent you, send some love. We have D6 Panky as well. You know, not many women out there doing this kind of job, and it's nice to see. Again, she's a nice person, easy to talk to, some great content, and yeah, go and check her out. Now there's something, MD Lee, again, you know, does some great videos on tools and stuff. You know, again, it's all kind of America based, this, but you know, when tools come out, you know, special offers and stuff like that, he's on there. He's like that, nice guy to talk to. Go and check him out, show him some love. Next person, Skoda Yoda, again, go and check him out. He does some really good videos, really knows his stuff. You'll also see him on some of Steve's videos as well, so go and check him out. He did a really cool video, which I was going to copy, which I will, but I haven't done it yet, of how to test relays. Again, I won't spoil it. Go and check it out. I'm going to copy that video. Yeah, and we're going to make it better because, you know, that's what we do. But anyway, go and check Skoda Yoda out. Really, really knows his stuff. Who's next? We have LM Garage, again, a small channel, you know, got some good videos out there. And again, it's always nice when I see small channels, if we can get them, you know, up and get them so they can actually monetize the channel, because it's not, you know, the time it takes to do this, people don't realize the time and effort. And when you have to do this and you can't monetize your channel, not that it's the end of the world, but it's just nice to get a little bit back because the time and effort they put into it. So let's try and get him up to 1,000 as well. Again, tell him I sent you. Hard Knocks Forge as well. Again, you know, he is a slightly bigger channel, but again, he's a really nice guy. Does a lot of tool stuff as well. So again, go and check him out. Tell him I sent you. Who's next? Just My Life Lee. Again, she's just one of them people that when you watch her, she doesn't particularly do anything with cars or anything, but when you watch her, she just brings a smile to your face. She's a really, really nice person. She comments on some of my videos and stuff. Never met her, haven't really spoken to her, but she's just a really, really nice person. If you're having a bad day, turn her on. She'll make you happy. That really sounded bad. Turn her on. You know what I mean. I can't get out of that now. That's it. It's done. There's nothing I can say. Sorry, Lee. Anyway, go and check her out. Tell her I sent you. Just don't show her this video because, yeah, because that was just completely, I can't get out of it. Rick, again, he's only got 7 subscribers. I told him to start a YouTube channel and he's done fuck all about it. So go over, hound him, tell him to fucking do more videos. The lazy git. Go over there and tell him I said he's a fucking idiot and he needs to do more videos. Tell him I said that. Loads of people go and hound him. You know, again, he's a nice guy. I've spoke to him a few times, and yeah, he needs to make more videos. He just needs to make more videos. Then we got Charles Garage, slightly bigger channel, but again, some interesting stuff. And like I said, it doesn't really matter where these people are from because they just, you know, you can pick up little tidbits here, there, and everywhere off anyone with any kind of a, you know, if they've got a lot of skill or just learning, you can always pick stuff off them. Then we've got Drew. Again, he needs to get his arse out. He needs to do more videos. Tell him I sent you and tell him I sent you over there and get his arse out and to do more fucking videos. Tell him. Yes, Drew, come on. Then we got one of my subscribers who started his channel because he said he saw my videos, which is always amazing. The tools this guy's got is amazing. Go and check him out. Again, he needs to do more videos, but, you know, just tell him I sent you and to do more videos. Krille's Garage. Then who we got next? I can start seeing the people now. We got Cuba again. You know, another woman that likes to do mechanics and stuff. There's not many out there, so go and check her out. Great videos. And let's try and get her up to 1,000. Tell her I sent you, and yeah, sorted. Now, couple left. We have Badger, who I think is one of the biggest channels on this list. Yeah, he's a fucking idiot. I mean, don't check him out. Don't subscribe to him. In fact, unsubscribe to him if you're subscribed to him. Give him a few shout outs in the past, and yeah, now it's time to unsubscribe to him. So go over there, tell him I said unsubscribe. To Jonathan, now, obviously joking aside, you know, he's a great guy. does some great videos. And again, some of these ones that I've actually showed you, they are just basically doing it in their own garage. They don't maybe have all the best tools in the world, they don't have absolutely everything, but they get on. That's what's really good about some of these channels. They you know, he does what he needs to do, he gets the job done. It might take a little bit longer, but he does, and it's not just him, it's a few other people in that list as well. They do what they need to do with the equipment they've got, and they can just show you can do it at home, you know, with, now he actually is building his full collection quite well actually. But yeah. And the last person, again, I think this is, oh no, he's got over 1,000. But again, this guy here in Parknest, he basically, again, you know, works on the driveway, works at home, you know, shows you how to basically do stuff with, again, not in a big garage or anything like that. And it's really interesting to see how, you know, with these kind of DIY channels, you can get a lot more kind of how you would do it at home, because when the bigger channels or the bigger garages, you know, when we use lifts and stuff like that, you know, it's maybe not kind of the real world as such, but it's just easier for us to do it that way because we've got it, so we might as well use it. And sometimes the camera angles when you're on the lift and stuff, it makes life a lot easier. Right, and we've also got Shane's Auto. Now this guy, what he doesn't know about gearbox isn't worth knowing, and he does a lot of videos, you know, on car shows, and it's him and his wife. They do kind of like a podcast talk thing as well. I'm going to be on it. I keep telling him I'm gonna do it, and then, you know, I keep forgetting or something comes up, but eventually I will be on it, and we're going to have a good old chat. So go and check him out as well. Again, you know, content is brilliant. Now I will be doing more of these videos. If I have forgotten you, I do apologize. I will be doing more of these videos, and like I said, anyone that wants to get on my videos, so in other words, they just do a quick voice clip at the beginning of one of my videos. You can say something, you know, like what I say in my videos or something like that. And if you've got a YouTube channel, even if you don't have a YouTube channel, but if you do, we'll link it down below. If you just want to be on one of my videos, send me the clip and we'll put you on. And yeah, just like I said, share the love, people. This is all about sharing the love. That's all it is. Try and get some of these channels up, try and get Badgertronix down. And that's a joke, by the way. Just go over there and tell him I said unsubscribe, just for the hell of it, because he'll laugh. But don't unsubscribe. But just tell him I said to, because yeah, just loads of people on these last videos just go into it because it'd be hilarious. And that's it. So like I said, share the love. Tell him I sent you over there. Just say whatever you want to say, and let's try and get some of these guys up to 1,000 subscribers, you know, and just, you know, share the love, because that's, at the end of the day, it's a big community. There's no point kind of, you know, it's everyone involved. You can learn from people that have been doing it for 50 years. You can learn from people that have been doing it for 6 months. There's always stuff out there. When I watch people's videos, no matter what their skill level is, I always, oh, actually, yeah, that's handy. Or yeah, I can do that. That's faster. And, you know, you always learn. And that's it. So look, people, that's it. Go and check them out. All the links in the description. And yeah, sorted. So look, hope it helps. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down below, but most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.